Critical situations arise in confined spaces and containers when personnel are not properly trained. With this type of activity, people have to act against their natural instincts. To use an example, I have an individual working in a container. Another person is standing above and observing. The person down below is faced with a critical situation. His colleague above wants to help him and thus climbs down. This is generally the cause of the most severe accidents. Wanting to help another person is an entirely natural reflex. In confined spaces and containers, however, this approach may make the situation worse. Panic generally ensues in critical situations, which can cause you to act incorrectly. The rescue chain is not triggered properly, and the predefined measures are not initiated. The rescue concept is set out in the risk analysis. The rescue concept must take into consideration all measures, not simply internal measures. External measures, such as handing over to the fire department, must also be included in the concept. There are a number of stages in the rescue process. Training should be provided for them all. Simple or basic rescue concerns how I use my escape equipment, how I act in a critical situation. Complex rescue involves retrieving a person from a container where self-rescue is impossible due to the need for special equipment. This also requires special training. Technical rescue comes into play when regular equipment has reached its limits. We recognize that we need special devices to free the person from the container. This is where specialist teams should be considered. In other words, it's a very good idea to set up a specialist team. Rescue from the container is only one part of the overall concept. This means that the rescue chain must be planned from beginning to end.